Hello, everyone. I'm excited to share some amazing news with you. ArcSoft Solutions is launching a brand new course, Python with Machine Learning, starting August 20th, 2025. This is a 3-month intensive hands on program designed to take you from the basics of Python programming all the way to building real world machine learning models. You will learn Python fundamentals and advanced concepts, data analysis and visualization, machine learning algorithms and their applications, how to work on real life projects to strengthen your portfolio. Our focus is on practical learning with guidance from industry experts, so you're job ready from day one. And the best part, the course fee is just Rs 10,000 for the entire duration. Seats are limited, so make sure to register early and secure your spot in this career transforming program. Once again, the course starts on August 20th, 2025, and is brought to you by ArcSoft Solutions. And before I go, and tomorrow is our nation's big day, wishing you all a very happy Independence Day. Let's keep learning, keep growing, and keep making India proud, Jai Hind.